this. Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Shady, and we are here for another first impression. I know we've been going for a while. We've been going, but we're back, and we have a new shoe to look at. For those of you that are not familiar with this brand, there's a brand out here called Collegium. They do more of a higher end shoe, handmade, Italian leather, that buttery goodness. And we recently had the opportunity to go check out their pop-up. They had a pop-up here in Long Beach, and it was dope. The vibes was there, the energy was there. I got to talk to Nick, who is one of the owners of Collegium, and he was super nice, super kind. So at the pop-up, they released the Destroyer 2 Devastator, and they released them in 3 colorways. You had this like white, black, and tan colorway. You had this white, black, and like gray colorway, and then you had the friends and family like white, black, and red colorway. When you find a good brand that you like and you respect and you love, you support them. So I had to cop. These are my personal pair. Yes, these are mine and mine only. Let's open them up and let's take a look real quick. First off, let's start with the box. Whoa, I'm going too fast. Let's start with the box. First off, this box, nice sturdy box, Collegium across the top in the gold. And let's go in here, and Collegium on the tissue paper as we expected. I own a pair of Collegiums. I was blessed enough to be on the Friends and Family for the Discord shoe. So when you open up the paper, this shoe is so fire, dude. Because it's real Italian. Box that you see on a lot of shoes, like kind of like an Air Force One or something. But just this leather, man, is just so soft and so nice. Then you have this like cement print going across the back. You have the Collegium logo on the back, the heel tab right there, Collegium on the tongue. And made in Italy on the inside, which is fire. Like made in Italy, handmade, hard bottom. You hear that? Hard bottom. This is a real up there like designer shoe right here. When we open up the box even more, like I said, they always give you goodies. So here's the other shoe. Comes with 2 extra pair of laces. It's like I want to say like a purple pair maybe or something, and like a cream pair of laces, and it comes with a dust bag. This is premium. This is what I'm talking about. I feel like all shoes that cost upwards of 200 plus should come with a dust bag. This makes you feel like you made a good purchase right here, man. Me personally, I am a huge fan of these shoes. These shoes are fire. I would rock these shoes a number of ways. You can even dress it up in, like with a suit. Like you can put a suit on and rock these. There's a bunch of NBA players that's been spotted with the Collegiums and celebrities. It's just one of those shoes where you can either wear it like with a streetwear outfit, or you can wear a suit with them. Me personally, I'm giving these a 10 out of 10 because I mess with this brand heavy. I got to talk to Nick, who's the owner, and he has a strong mission. It's not about the money with them. It's about the community, and they care about the community. Like a shoe like this could easily go for $600-700. They're selling this for $200, 200 and some change. And I think that's dope for what you're getting, man. You're getting a handmade Italian leather shoe for $200 compared to a designer brand where you pay upwards of $1,400 for the same type of material. So shout out Collegium, man. These are dope. These are mine, and I can't wait to wear these. Peace.